Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to level up your clan tier. So first, click the clan button page at the bottom of your screen. This is my clan, and also this is the page of your clan. So my clan is the new clans. Currently my clan is tier 1. So how to leveling up my clan to the tier 2 to get more rewards from it? So you have to join the clan war. Click the join clan war. So as you can see, there are three nodes. This is three nodes. Means this is there are three games that you can play for more reward. As you can see, there are 1400 point. So this point is to leveling up your tier. So what you need to do is kill enemy in battle royale. For example, each kill earns 20 points. This point is used to increase or leveling up your tier of your clan. So as you can see, this is the point of the other class. You can see the other clan's point. The more you playing in the clan war, the more uh, the more rewards that you can get. Of course, beside the point that you can get, you can also get the currency or get the credit you can buy, you can use to purchase the item from the clan store. So what you have to do is join the clan war to accomplish the mission and get the reward to leveling up your clan tier. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.